Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican chicken noodle soup. Start by gathering chicken pieces, stock, onion, garlic, thyme, scallion, carrots, and egg noodles. Prepare your workspace with cutting board, sharp knife, measuring spoons, and pot. Trim and season the chicken, then brown briefly to lock flavor. Chop vegetables uniformly for even cooking. Keep Scotch bonnet aside if you prefer mild heat and add later to taste. Start by searing seasoned chicken in a pot with a little oil until golden, then remove and set aside. Sauté onion, garlic, and scallion until fragrant, then add thyme and green seasoning. Return chicken, pour in stock, and simmer gently for about 30 minutes until flavors meld. Add carrots and other vegetables, then stir in egg noodles during the last 8 to 10 minutes. Taste and adjust after noodles and vegetables are tender. Remove chicken to shred and return meat to the pot for even texture. Check seasoning, adding salt, pepper, and a splash of lime to brighten the broth. If using Scotch bonnet, add a small piece now for controlled heat. Let soup rest off the heat for a few minutes to meld flavors. Serve hot with a wedge of lime and extra scallion on top for freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.